Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will walk you through how to use ConvertKit step by step for email marketing in 2025. Whether you are a total beginner or switching from another platform, this tutorial will show you how to build email lists, send emails, and grow your online business with ConvertKit. Let's dive into it without any further ado. So here, what is ConvertKit? So first of all, ConvertKit is an email marketing platform designed specifically for creators like bloggers, YouTubers, and digital entrepreneurs, as you can see here. So it helps you to build email list, then send broadcast and automated emails. Also, it helps you to create landing pages and sign up forms, and also it helps you to sell digital product and subscriptions. So let's dive into the main goal, that is how you can use the ConvertKit platform. So here you can see you are allowed to create an account ConvertKit, and there is no required to enter or input credit card. So first of all, you can see their feature. Their feature is, as you can see all features. Once I click over here, then here you can see that it will help you to grow your business, like reach your audience and turn subscribers to customers, then connect. It will help you to create deeper connection that drive real results. Here we have couple of features which is really essential for our business on our growth. Then you can see the pricing. If I talk about the pricing, here you will see that they are providing free plan, like which start from $0 per month and up to 10,000 subscriber allowed. Then this kind of a feature you will get in this free plan. Then if you want to purchase the premium, then you can go with the creator plan. It starts from $25 per month, and here you will get this kind of a feature where you have unlimited visual automation, like compared to newsletter free plan where we have only one basic visual automation. So I will go with this free plan. That's why I will click on sign up for free, because this is our first system where we just need to be create an account. Just click over here, sign up for free. Once I click over here, then it will take a while to complete their procedure. Then they will redirect us to this page where I just need to be input my name, that my name will be this, and then provide our mail address, and they are asking for a password. So I will paste password. So let's input the password. So here you can see we input our password, and I will click on get started. Once you click over here, then it will take a while and it will complete their traditional procedure to create an account. Email has already been taken, so we already have an account. So we just need to go over here into the login. Once I click over here login, then here you can see our password has been pasted here, and mail also. Just click on login. Once I click over here, then it will be logging to our platform. We don't recognize this device. To make sure it is we have sent a SQL link, so I just need to be check my mail. Then you can see that yes, I already get. I will trust this device. This way our whole procedure will be done. So here you can see, welcome back, your trial period has ended. Don't worry, you don't been charged, and all your account information data will be still inactive. So here you can see our trial version has been done. So I will create another account with my another Gmail, so to show you the procedure how it really works. So here, as you can see it, the procedure is really same. So here you can see I will create an account with this mail, copy this one, then paste it here. Similarly, I'm going to provide my name, then the password I will copy it from my saved note. So here you can see we already input our password. Then I will click on get started, and it already done. Here you can see I will save it. So this is the welcome message. So welcome, tell us about yourself so we can customize Kit to match your needs. Do you already use an email marketing tool? No, not yet. So let's choose how big is your audience. So I have almost this kind of audience, so select one of them. This is the name what will appear on page visible to your subscriber. Yes, continue. And what is your business newsletter or brand? This is the name. Yeah, I think that this will be cool. Just click on continue. And here, what kind of a creator are you? I am an entrepreneur. Then click on continue. Like, you can sign up with your mail or you can use your Google account. Once you are in, it will ask your goal, like grow an audience or sell products. Like, you just need to pick one and move forward. Here, as you can see it. So what do you hope to achieve your kit? Grow my list. Yeah, okay, it has been done. So our next step is to create a landing page or a sign up form. So you just need to click on this next step, or you can create your landing page. So this is the simplest one. Just click on this one, create your landing page. Once you click over here, then here you will get a couple of options. As you can see, grow your list, leave this blueprint. As a creator, your email list is your most valuable asset. When other platforms fails, if you own your email list, you will always be able to connect your audience. Okay, great. Leave this blueprint. Okay, here they are asking for send emails. So the process is really simple, as you can see it. So I will create a landing page. Just click on, and here we have an options of form, a landing page. A form is great for embedding on your website, and a landing page is ideal if you don't have a site. Let's go. We'll go with the landing page. Just click on landing page. Once I click over here, they will ask me to pick a template. Let's pick one of them. I think first one will be good. Just choose, and then you can customize the headline, description field, button text, color, and image. Here you can see, I think this was cool, so I will not do anything changes. But if you want to change the image, you can change it through these options. Let's try it. So I will upload my own image, that the reason. So here I will click on replace and click on choose an image to upload, and come to our download. Here we have a couple of images. I will choose this one, and it will take a while to upload. And now you can see it has been done. So this is the simplest one. Once you're done, like, you just need to click on publish. So here I will clear it, and then I will come to this. I think all has been done. Okay, great. And here I will click on share, and in this way we will get the shareable link or embedded link. Just click on share, and here you can see this is our link. Copy, and let's see. Here you can actually see it. This is the simplest one. Then the next step is manage your subscriber. As people sign up, they will show up under the subscriber. Here, let's go, come back to this one. Then here you can see we have great features. We have automation. If I click on grow, in the subscriber option, we will see our subscriber. You can tag them, segment them, then track activity, tags, or like levels to help you organize your interests or actions. For example, tag people who downloaded your ebook or clicked a link in an email. So it really helps your work, and it makes so much easy. Then go ahead and talk about the broadcast email. Like, you want to send an email to a list, then you just need to click on send. Once you click on send, then you will get the options called broadcast. Just click over here and choose who gets it, all subscriber or specific tag or segment. Here you have the options, like click on new broadcast, then just select your template from that place. I select the template, then here you can see this is the template we have. Now we just need to follow this continue options, change subject, continue to share, no, continue to share, and here you just need to select your one. Then you can create your email, add a subject line, or you can use the drag and drop editor to plain text. Then you can add personalized, like first name, or then once you're done, just click on preview and test email, then click send or schedule it. This is the simplest one. I hope you understand. Then let's go and talk about setup automation. Here you can see in the top bar we have automation. You just need to click on automation, then you just need to be select visual automation. So once you click over here, and the main thing is this is paid feature, so in the free plan you are not allowed to use it. So I hope you understand. This way you can build full email funnel this way. So I hope this was the wrap up of the video. I try my best to give all the valuable knowledge to you guys. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.